हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू वंडर बेब। तो मुझे पिछले वीडियो पे बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस आया अबाउट द चॉकलेट्स एंड द कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स। सो इस बार मैंने सोचा क्या और कर सकते हैं। सो दिन दिस वीडियो वी गोना रैंक इंडियन स्नैक्स, बेसिकली जो भी आप लोग खाते हैं, एंड एज अ हेल्थ फ्रीक आई एम गोना रेट देम ऑन टू नोट्स. Number one, the price, and number two, the quality, and a special bonus for something with lesser calories and high protein. So let's begin. सबसे पहले I have this Cheetos. So it gives around 100 calories per 20 grams. Let's give it a shot. ये टाइम पास के लिए बहुत अच्छा स्नैक है. लाइक यू नो इट्स लाइट, इट्स मीडियोकर. तो पार्टी में चखना खाना हो उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है, दारू के साथ जमेगा. एंड इट इज ओनली, दिस पैकेट इज फॉर ओनली 10 rupees. And I think this is pretty good. So price, I'd give it a 8 on 10. Quality 6, because and protein इसमें 100 grams में 8 grams है, average 5. Next snack we have is Bingo Solid Masti, Achari Masti, Mad Angles. So this is 20 rupees, ये 10 में भी आता होगा I think. I got this for about, let me just give it a shot and then think कि ये snack कितना अच्छा है. Taste wise, अच्छा, if you like achar, this is a good snack. And 100 में 526 and only 5.6 grams protein. So this gets a 2 under nutrition and protein wala. Price wise okay, solid 7. And taste 7.5. So this was not the winner for today. Let's see what else do we have. Okay, so now I have this packet of Doritos, which has 7.1 grams of protein per 100 grams. Protein and nutrition wise, this snack gets a solid 6. Nothing more, nothing less. And taste wise, it's the original nacho cheese. Amazing. It's made out of corn, not maida. Plus the taste is 100% legit. So this gets an 8.5 on taste, and price for 20 rupees we get this is a 8 on taste. Nice. So this was Doritos. Next snack that we have is popcorns, but caramel flavored popcorns from Act 2. So for 100 gram it only has 425 calories. So it can be a sweet treat if you like, for some, like a small cup you can have when you feel like you want dessert. I got it for 15 rupees, so price wise it's a solid 9. And taste, it's a popcorn. So I'm gonna give it an 8.75. It's better than Doritos. It's yummy. So this is it. And for the next snack that we have is Kurkure's Solid Masti. Now this is a 20 rupees pack and it is pretty cheap for the amount you're getting. So 8 on the price, and it has 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, which again gets it a 9 on nutritional value. So taste. Let's see how it tastes. If you like Indian spices and Indian food, this is Indian food in a snack. This is getting a 10 on 10. Best snack. Love this one. Nutrition wise, it's very good. Taste wise, it's very good. So currently, Kurkure Solid Masti is in the lead. Let's move ahead to the final two contestants. And we have our childhood favorite, Uncle Chips. We all loved this product as a child and we've all tasted it if you're a kid living in India. So rating it feels sinful, but we gotta do it. Nothing can beat the taste. Nothing, none of them. There is nostalgia, but there's good taste. And I believe Uncle Chips is going to be my forever favorite. The taste is better because it's a little minty and it's different than all the other snacks that we usually crave. So I think this mint one, Uncle Chips, is going to lead the list. In terms of price, it is the best value you can get for 20. In terms of nutrition, similar calories as Solid Masti, and taste, it's the daddy of all snacks. And for the final snack, flavored peanuts, which I believe is Pudina flavored. Again, I have just had something in Pudina, so I'm just gonna change my palate a little bit. And we're gonna give this a shot. This looks something like this and tastes pretty solid, but not as good as Uncle Chips. So as a protein and caloric addition, this is 10 on 10. For price, I got it for 60 rupees, which is very good. So 8 on 10. And tastes a 7 on 10. And the winner for today's snack challenge is going to be for sure. And that is it for today's snackathon. Hope you enjoyed this video. I surely did, tasting all these snacks, and it was a fun call. So hope you're liking this video, and if you have any more suggestions that I should make and I should add into my challenges, do let me know. And other than that, have a good day and subscribe to my channel.